Good morning, children. Last class we started revision, no children. You want to open that note only. Already I gave 5 mains. Now, today I'm going to start 6th main. So take revision, no children. S7 revision already I gave, no. Previous class only I started S7 revision. S7 revision. Last class I gave you 5 mains. Now today I'm going to start 6th main. Where you written now, revision note, there only you want to write, there only you want to continue. Understood, children? Don't go to next rough note and all. Want to write in the revision note only. 6th main, addition. Now 6th main, addition. Addition you want to refer in the class work, children. September portion, class work. First one. Four, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5. Plus means you want to add. See, 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Here, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now here, second sum, 100, tens, ones. 673 plus 28. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8, how much, children? 11. 11 means 1 you want to write here, 1 you carry to tens place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 you carry to hundreds place. 1 plus 6, 7. 701. Now next third one, 408 plus 88. 8 plus 8, 16. 6 here, 1 you will write here. 1 plus 0, this is 1, children. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 4 as it is you want to write. Now fourth one, 542 plus 95. Here, 5, 2 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 9, see 9 you keep it in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See you write here, 1 you carry to hundreds place, 1 plus 5, 6. See 4 sums additions is there, children. Practice. Fourth main, I'll give 5 minutes to copy down. Neatly you want to copy down, children. Now we'll go to subtraction. Let up, children, addition. Now seventh main, subtraction. First one, 435 minus 24. See the sign, children. Here minus means you want to take it 5. If you close 4 fingers, how much remaining? How many will be there? 1. 5 minus 4, 1. In 3, 2. If you close in 3, if you close 2 fingers, 1 will be remaining. So 1, 4. Second sum, 623 minus 475. See, 5 is bigger than 3 is less than 5, no children. So you want to carry. If you carry 3 becomes 13, 2 becomes 1. 13 minus 5, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. See, again we will carry here. 1 becomes 11, 5. 11 minus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Third one. $777 minus 222. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. Subtraction 3 sums are given, children. You want to practice. Now tables. Eighth main children. Learn tables 2 to 10 for A7 children. You want to practice 2 to 10 tables for A7. Ninth main. Draw the beads. To show the number. Refer classwork, children. These men will be in the classwork. In August portion. So you want to already the given numbers now 763. $854. Your 100 space, 10 place, 1 space. See, the given numbers now, children. In 1 space, 3 is there. You want to draw the bits. 3 bits you want to draw. 10 plus 6 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 100 space, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Say first one is this one. Second one. See the number 854. In 1's place 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10's place 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100's place 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 9th main, children. 8th main, you want to practice 2 to 10 tables. For A7, 9th main, draw the bits to show the number. This 9th main. Now 10th main, last main, statement sums. Finish it neatly. We'll go to 10th main. Tenth main, statement sums. First one, in worksheet, children, worksheet September, worksheet 2, statement sums is there, no? That I am giving to revision. There are 228. There are 228 28 boys and 281 girls in a school. School. How many children are there? How many children are there in the school altogether? Number of boys. Number of girls. Number of boys, how much children here? Hundreds, tens, ones. Number of boys, 228. Number of girls, 281. You want to add. See, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 8, 10. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 509 students. 509. How many children are there in the school altogether? Means 509 students in the school. First statement, some children. Finish it neatly. We'll go to second one. Go to fresh page for second one. Revision note only. You want to continue. Second one. The shopkeeper bought a shopkeeper bought 836 books. He sold 728 books. How many books were? How many books were left unsold? Unsold number of books. Number of books. Number of books shopkeeper bought. Shopkeeper sold. Left unsold. Here 100 pens once. Number of books shopkeeper bought 836. He sold 728 books minus 728. Now you want to find number of books left unsold. For that, you want to do minus. See, 6 is less than 8. 8 is the big number, no children. You cannot take away 8 from 6. So, you want to borrow 16. Here, 3. 16 minus 8, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. How many books left unsold means number of books left unsold. We finished 10 mains also, children. For essay 1, you want to practice these 10 mains. Refer worksheet, class work, July, August, September portions. Portion will be refer July, August, September worksheet, class work, and revision. Essay 1 revision also again, no children. See, those are not written. See the mains and worksheet, refer that and practice, children. Essay 1, revision completed. Tables you want to practice 2 to 10 tables. Number names also you want to practice. Don't do spelling mistakes, children. Easy only. Write neatly when you are writing revision. No, you can write neatly. Then only you want to. Then only can practice neatly. Understood, children? Thank you, children.